Hey everyone, want to earn and claim your Brave Rewards tokens? In this video, we will show you step by step how to get your rewards, so you can enjoy browsing and earn crypto at the same time. Brave Rewards is an opt-in feature in the privacy-focused Brave browser. It lets us earn Basic Attention Token, or BAT, by viewing privacy-friendly ads. We receive 70% of the ad revenue, which can be used to tip creators, redeem gift cards, or trade through a connected Apple or Solana wallet. Brave Rewards encourages us to browse the web and view ads that respect our privacy, unlike traditional ad models. We earn BAT, which can support websites, creators, or be redeemed for rewards. Now, let's get started together. We will guide you through each step in a simple way, so everyone can follow along. First, open the Brave browser. When you are in the browser, go to your settings. You can find settings by clicking the three lines. Click on this, then scroll down and click on settings. In settings, you will see options like settings, history, bookmarks, downloads, wallet, and rewards. Go to the rewards section. Click on rewards. In this page, you can start using reward by clicking Start Using Brave Rewards, and then select your country. For example, we can choose this country. Wait a moment, and that's it. Now you are ready. Before you continue, you need to create a wallet to open the rewards. In the rewards section, you can connect your account so you have tokens for trading. You can also gain rewards by just using Brave browser and uses it for searching and downloading. That's all. You now know how to earn and claim your Brave Rewards tokens. Remember, staying active while browsing with Brave and viewing Brave ads helps you collect tokens that you can use or withdraw securely.